Hey guys, it's Kitty here. Today I'm gonna show you my hard work. Hold on. Hey. I somehow found a way to revive these plants from the dead. I use a lot of rainwater, sunlight, science, math, and even magic. See, I am not human. Even though I look human, I am not human. How do I know this? Well, last I checked, humans can't shoot bolts of lightning from their fingertips, cannot purify water without machinery. I mean, you guys need a lot of chemicals and machines to clean your water. I just gotta do this. Yeah, anyways, so I got impatient and I was just thinking, fuck, spring is taking forever to get here. So I thought maybe I'll just move the sun. The sun. Let me see. The sun to the side a bit. Doot. Make some winds. I can make a wind right now for you. Just give it a sec. Anyways, I had to move the sun closer. I had to make some winds to make the snow melt. And I had to rotate the angle of the earth. Because you know how the seasons and the rotation of the earth are connected? If I rotate the earth, I can make the weather change. I have several times. This movement, let it rain. That makes rain clouds, see? I'm still working on making some more nimbus or NIMBY clouds. I forgot the scientific term for rain clouds, but it is NIMBY something. And look, we haven't seen these flowers in this area for years. Same thing with strawberries, and I found a way with my science experiments to revive them from the dead. Oh yeah, I figured out how to revive other things from the dead. If you saw someone that was like, oh shit, I thought you were dead. I was like, yeah, I revived them from the dead. How? Once again, I am not human. I am the goddess of life and death itself. My hard work is proven with these lush green leaves and the clean water. Oh yeah, some bugs. They eat that, and that's okay. I'll just grow some more. Anyways, I'm gonna go chill out now. We'll see you guys in the next video.